Hello everyone, this is Yen again from Club Bead. So this is the end of the year, means we need to do a little bit cleanup. So I'm teaching you how to do cleanup with the balance of the bead to make a necklace like this. And I make the earring as well. It's very nice. This is how you make good use of the balance of your bead. So by the way, to make the necklace and to make an earring, it's the same method. If you continue watching the video, you will see the way I make. This is to use the thread to beading through the chain, the necklace, stainless steel chain. You will see the detail so this earring, these two earrings, when you can combine them together, you can actually make a nice necklace as well. So it's as you like to make an earring or make a necklace. It's the same method. So now we use the thread, how to make the thread through the chain. So we are going to make needles by ourselves, DIY needles. So I will use the copper wire, 3 mm. If you double it, it's 6 mm. So most of the beads hole can go through. It's a 6 mm hole. So make sure the two ends are the same. So now we open the needle, we put the thread through, down to the end. Now the trick is how to start the thread hole, how to start the first knot. I will show you. For the first, that you remove the needle, then you put two. This is your first knot. It's very tight, be sure. That's it. So for example, if you want to enhance the color, you choose the same color for the same sequence continuously. Then if you want multiple color, you will choose one piece and different piece. For me, it's important because an earring there, to drain the color is to enhance the coral color. So I choose the 3 big size of the coral chips. So when I buy the coral chips, the one string, they have different size and various, I divided them. So the bigger one I put in the bigger different box. The smaller one I put another. So I choose the 3 big one to make the top so it drains down nicely. Now the thread is double, so we threw the double thread like this. Which one? Just do this. Then we thread the first hole. See, the first one's the seed. Perfect. So we continue to do like this to make a second hole there. Then we will see till the end. So it's quite big, so we cross one hole. We take another, the bigger one. So it will not tight together. Yeah, it's nicely. Okay, perfect, it's good. This is the end of the chain. So now I need to close it. So can you see this clear like this? This is the direction of the thread. So now we go around it. So I go around the chain. Then I lock it. One. Then this one's tricky. You do 2 times. Then seal it. So after this, we use a little glue to secure it, to make sure, but normally it's quite safe now. Then we cut it. I like to use this one to cut it. Very easy. So it still have a little knot. What to do? I use a little fire. And close it. So this is how we do. So now I make the pair of the earring. You can see it's very nice. And I have a trick. I can put these 2 earrings to combine it into a necklace. So let's detach all the end of the component. Then we will make the necklace. I will move the jump ring. I add a bigger one jump ring so that it's more comfortable to use this. So I use the earring as a clasp. It's my idea. As well, this side you need a bigger jump ring so that it can do the clasp. You can close easier. It won't come off. I tried. And on this side, when you remove the jump ring, you add a bigger one. So these 2 can be 2 together and not too crowded. So the 2 earring, the 2 end of this pearl plate can be joined together, but you need to use one eye pin. So use the eye pin to add on. So I make a one extra like this. So this is the year Christmas is coming. We are not allowed to visit each other to have big party, so why not beading? And also, thanks to the electronic device, it makes us closer. When we make beading, look, you can make a camera in front of you to talk with your friend and make beading together, and we can even make competition together in this way. And in this time, but for this kind of beading necklace, it takes a time. It takes a long time to make a necklace like this. But when you make the beading, when you make the necklace, when you make an earring, you're thinking of your friend, family that you cannot be with. This is a time how you miss them, how you love them, how you care for them. So when you finish making this, you send your present and send your energy to your friend and family. Tell them you miss them and you make the action of it. Thank you, everyone. Stay strong, make jewelry, make happiness, and make courage. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.